Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tesla Live to Learn. In previous lectures, we have discussed the time and work aptitude concept, and from this video onwards, we are going to discuss time and distance. In this chapter, we are going to calculate speed, distance, and time based on given data. So I think you are familiar with these formulas. Speed is equal to distance by time, and distance d equal to speed into time, and time equal to total distance by speed. And the relationship between speed and distance when time is constant is uh, distance is directly proportional to speed. So for a given interval of time, if we are moving with high speed, we can travel more distance. Okay, that is the meaning of this statement A. And when total distance is constant, time is inversely proportional to speed. If we are moving with high speed, we can reach the destination in short interval of time. Similarly, when speed is constant, when object is moving with constant speed, the distance traveled by object is directly proportional to time. When the interval of time is more and it is moving with constant speed, it will travel more distance. These are all the main important points before going to example problem. And we need to remember few more. Okay, when two objects are moving in same direction, then relative speed is nothing but speed of one object with respect to another. Relative speed is two types. When both objects are in same direction, moving in same direction, and objects are moving in other direction. Objects are moving in other direction is the another one. That is, other means nothing but opposite direction. When when objects are moving in same direction, the relative speed is difference between those two speeds. Let us say one object is moving with the speed u and another object is moving with the speed v, then relative speed between these two is u minus v when they are moving in same direction. Similarly, when objects are moving in opposite direction, one object's moving is like this. Let us say another object is moving in other opposite direction, then relative speed between those two is u plus v, that is sum of the speeds. And one more important conversion we are going to use in problem solving is kilometer per hour is equal to how many meter per second? 5 by 18 meter per second. How we got this? Kilometer is nothing but 1000 meters, and hour is nothing but 60 minutes into 60. Okay, 60 minutes into 60 seconds. So we'll get how much? 10 by 36, which is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. So what is the x kilometer per hour? X kilometer per hour is equal to how much? X into 5 by 18 meter per second. Similarly, if we move this 5 by 18 to this side, so the 1 meter per second is equal to x into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, that will be the answer. Okay, I think we have discussed very important notes. Please make a note of these points before going to the example problems. So let us see one small examples. Later on we will proceed advanced level problems. Okay, so what will be the small examples? Question number 1, convert 72 kilometer per hour into meter per second. So 72 kilometer per hour in meter per second is equal to how much? 72 into 5 by 18 meter per second. That is nothing but 18 ones are 18 fours are, that is 20 meter per second. And convert 25 meter per second into kilometer per hour. So when we convert that, 25 meter per second is equal to 25 into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. That is equal to 90 kilometer per hour. Okay, that is the second example. And what is the third example? So a train let us say a train covers 125 kilometers in 5 hours. What is the speed of the train? So speed equal to distance by time. Distance by time. So speed equal to distance by time. So 125 by 5 is equal to 25 kilometer per hour. Okay. So what is, and example number 4, and a train covers 200 kilometers with the speed of 200 kilometers with the speed of 10 kilometer per hour. What is the time taken? Time equal to total distance by speed, which is equal to 200 by 10, that is equal to 20 hours. Okay.